Meaning of field day.
Field day.
Field day.
Field day.
Field day. Field day is an idiomatic expression used to describe a day of great enjoyment or opportunity, typically in a specific area or activity. It can also refer to a day of military exercises or training. The phrase originated from the military and has since been used in a variety of contexts, such as school events, sporting competitions, and corporate team-building exercises. Overall, a field day is a fun and exciting experience that allows individuals to showcase their skills and strengths, while also promoting teamwork and camaraderie among participants.